Hello everyone, welcome to Football Updates. Friends, the year of 2021 is almost over, and we've seen some incredible football moments and performances from players all around the world. It's been yet another story-filled year in the football world, from the sport battling on through the peak of the COVID-19 pandemic to the drama at both Euro 2020 and the Copa America in the summer. So, without any further delay, let's start our countdown for top 10 best footballers of the year. At the 10th position we have Erling Haaland. The Norwegian striker is arguably one of the best striker in the world right now. Haaland scored a brace for Borussia Dortmund as they won the DFB Pokal earlier this year. Haaland has already scored 19 goals in 15 matches this season. At the 9th position we have Kevin De Bruyne. The Belgian midfielder was extremely effective for Manchester City, and his heroics helped them to win third Premier League title in 4 years. He also helped his club to reach the UCL final where he scored 3 goals in the tournament. De Bruyne was also picked as the PFA Players Player of the Year for a second season running. At the 8th position we have N'Golo Kante. The French midfielder was a standout performer in Chelsea's Champions League triumph. Kante has produced some match-winning performances in the knockout stages and was also named man of the match in Champions League final against Manchester City. At the 7th position we have Mohamed Salah. The Egyptian winger is one of the best forward in world football right now. Although Salah failed to win any silverware this year, but his individual efforts and goal-scoring abilities can't go unnoticed. He already scored 22 goals in 25 matches for Liverpool in all competitions, and also the current top scorer of Premier League with 15 goals in 18 matches. At the 6th position we have Cristiano Ronaldo. The Portuguese striker scored a total of 46 goals and had 6 assists in total 64 appearances this year. He becomes the first player to complete the milestone of 800 official goals. He also broke the record of Ali Dai of 109 goals to become highest international goalscorer, making his tally to 115 goals. Ronaldo was the top scorer of the Euro 2020 with 5 goals, and also won the Italian Cup with Juventus this year. At the 5th position, we have Kylian Mbappé. The French forward, who finished 9th in the Ballon d'Or voting, had 51 total goals for club and country in 2021. He helped PSG to a French Cup trophy, but falling short of the Liga title by a point and losing in the Champions League semi-finals to Manchester City. The French attacker also scored 8 goals for France in 2021, helping the world champions to win the 2021 UEFA Nations League. At the 4th position we have Jorginho. Just like Kante, Jorginho was also an important member of the Chelsea side that won the UEFA Champions League this year. He then replicated his heroics for the Italian national side also, as they won Euro 2020 in the summer. He was also Chelsea's top scorer in the Premier League with 7 goals in 28 appearances. Jorginho was also awarded as the best men's player of the year by UEFA. At the 3rd position we have Karim Benzema. There is no doubt, Benzema is in the best form of his career, as he had a goal tally of 43 goals and 14 assists this year. Benzema failed to win any trophy for his club, but managed to win the UEFA Nations League with France, where he scored a wonderful goal in the final against Spain. At the 2nd position we have Lionel Messi. The 7-time Ballon d'Or winner has scored 43 goals and had 18 assists in total 61 appearances this calendar year. The 34-year-old won the Pichichi Trophy for being the highest goal scorer in La Liga and also won Copa del Rey for Barcelona this year. But his crowning achievement was winning the 2021 Copa America with Argentina. Messi was named the best player of the tournament and also won the Golden Boot. He scored 4 goals and provided 5 assists in 7 appearances in the continental competition. And at the top position we have Robert Lewandowski. The Polish striker scored 69 goals during the calendar year, widely recognized as second best scoring year after Messi, and matching Cristiano Ronaldo's 2013. Lewandowski won Bundesliga title and also set the record for most Bundesliga goals in a calendar year. Lewandowski also scored 3 goals in 3 appearances at Euro 2020 for Poland. Lewandowski started this season in a bang, as he already scored 30 goals and provided 3 assists in just 25 appearances across all competitions. Thanks for watching this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe the channel for daily football updates.